Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change time on your Honda. First, locate the clock button on your audio unit. It's usually near the display. Press and hold this button for a few seconds until the hour display starts flashing. This indicates you are now in the time setting mode and ready to make adjustments. It's a straightforward process. Once the hour is flashing, use the H button to advance the hour to the correct setting. Each press will move it forward by 1 hour. After setting the hour, use the M button to adjust the minutes. Pressing it will advance the minutes. When both the hour and minute are correct, press the clock button one more time to save your changes. It's always a good idea to double-check the time before you finalize your settings. Make sure it matches your current time exactly. For some Honda models, you might find a SCT button instead of clock to confirm. Also, if your display shows AM or PM, ensure that is correct. This ensures your clock is perfectly synchronized. If you encounter any issues, always consult your Honda owner's manual for the most accurate and model-specific instructions. While the general steps are consistent, minor variations can exist. Remember, this process is quite similar for many Honda vehicles. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.